Alright, I'm gonna go between some different windows and whatnot, kind of remind myself which did. I think a lot of stuff was corrected. Right, here we go. Open up your docs. Your old Google Documents. So let's see, the first one to look at A sharp major. Ooh, that's minor. Look out. Am I looking at the wrong thing? Yeah, A, C sharp, and E. That is correct. Oh, A sharp major. Goodness. I'm just off to a fantastic start here. A, C double sharp, E sharp. Yes, so that is correct now. Very good. B flat, D flat minor. I'm probably going to be saying all kinds of dumb stuff in this one. Good lord. D flat minor. What the fuck? D flat minor. Yes. D flat, F flat, A flat. Right, because the D minor is D, F, and A. D, F, and A. So if you flat the root note, everything has to be flatted. So yes, D flat, F flat, and A flat is the correct spelling of notes there. F diminished. So you put F, A flat, and C flat. Yes. So a good way of looking at that is, so you got the F major right, F, A, and C. So 1, 3, and 5. So then when you go and flat the third and the fifth, well, you're just adding a flat symbol to the A and the C. So yes, F, A flat, and C flat is correct for the F diminished. B flat diminished. Let's see. No, that is not correct. Why? Well, here's the simple reason. You put B flat, D flat, F double flat. Well, if B diminished is B, D, and F. Well, wait a second, see if it clicks. B diminished, you wrote correctly. B, D, and F. So if you're just flatting everything, B becomes B flat, D becomes D flat, F becomes F flat. You flatted it twice. So that guy, boop, is now correct. F flat, not F double flat. What the heck is the next one? E flat diminished. Alright, let's go back to that. I'm confused. I don't see E flat diminished on here. It's down there. That's why. Derp. Okay, so yeah, you got the E diminished correct. So this is another instance of, well, everything that's an E flat, or sorry, everything that's an E diminished, when you flat it, everything gets flatted. So you have E flat, G flat, B flat for the E flat diminished. You also have E flat minor as E flat, G flat, and B flat. Well, they can't both have the same three notes. E minor is indeed E, G, and B. So therefore, E flat minor is E flat, G flat, B flat, because you flat everything here. E becomes E flat, G becomes G flat, B becomes B flat. So what about here? So E diminished absolutely is E, G, B flat. So if you're going to flat the root note and you want to retain the diminished chord, everything must become flat. So this should say E becomes E flat, G becomes G flat, B flat becomes B double flat. Now I'm wondering if you accidentally put the B double or the double flat on the wrong thing here. I don't know. Because wasn't the B flat diminished to double flat a second ago? I don't remember. Anyway, moving on. A augmented. Let's see. Did you get that one right? A. Yes, you did. Very good. B augmented. To the deuce. B, D sharp, and F double sharp. Absolutely. Very good. B flat augmented. What you got here? You have B flat, D, and F sharp. Very good. B sharp augmented. So before I get into the next thing I was going to do, kind of change my mind. I was going through all the other stuff that we've covered, but this one I want you to take another crack at. I'm going to give you another hint. So what you send the answer over for this. Let's see, can I save this? Can I save the changes I made here? Why am I not seeing it? Let's see, share, new, open, make a copy, da 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 da. Well, I don't know if it will save the changes. Maybe you might have to change it. I don't know. I never use these Google Docs. So, anyway, all changes saved in Drive. So I guess it did change or save it already. I just saw that up here. Anyway, enough rambling. All right, man. Here's the hint. So, you have the B augmented correct. It is B, D sharp, F double sharp. For the B flat, you did exactly what needs to be done for the simple way. Simple way of looking at it. So if you're going to, again, take the root note and you flat that root note, so B is going to be called a B flat, then everything that you had here needs to become flat. And you did just that. You took the B and you flatted it to a B flat. Took the D sharp and flatted it to D natural. You took the F double sharp and flatted it to an F single sharp. So we're still, and this is the hardest one to figure out. This is the one I always save for the end because it's the biggest thinker for these triad worksheet stuff, okay? So once again, if you're going to sharp the B to a B sharp, would it make more sense to just say C and start with C and go from there? Of course. But again, the whole point is just to make you think. Just to make you think. And it's also to like really truly visualize different intervals and kind of get you thinking outside of the norm, okay? Because when we get to things like certain suspended chords that occur in key, you're going to hear some stuff you've probably never heard of then either. And then understanding how you can manipulate certain intervals and add intervals, take away intervals and whatnot to get to big chords, you know, 7th chords, 6th chords, add 9 chords, full 9 chords, so on, so forth, and moving to different keys or exotic keys and whatnot. Just feels very important that you have a very good understanding of what's happening here. So, if you're going to take the B augmented and sharp the root note so that it is a B sharp, once again, it's as simple as that. You add a sharp to everything. I'll give you one other note or another tip. You can't change the note names because B something is still in the 1 position. C something is still in the 2 position. D, as in dog, is still in the 3rd position. It has to be D something. E something is always in the 4th position when B is the root note. And then finishing with F being in the 5th position. F something. It's got to be B something, D something, and F something. You can't change it to a different note name. Even though it might sound the same. Remember, that's the N harmonic there. So, there's your hint. Let me know what you come up with on that one. And that's the only one you got to fix on your own. After them hints, fix the B sharp augmented. Add a sharp to everything. All right, I will talk to you soon.